What happened here today is that we had the 3 teams pitching for 4 minutes and then answering the questions of the jury for their business idea that they developed through the Bioentrepreneurship course here at the University of Aarhus.
We just finished our pitch presentation here at the auditorium in Nano. We presented the project we've been doing for the whole semester now, and we worked on it really hard, and this was like the end of the course. It was really exciting.
I guess what the students can get from the session today is feedback from other stakeholders coming from outside can perhaps give them another perspective on all the hard work they are doing during the daily courses and so on.
For me, as a representative from the health faculty, it has been very interesting to get an insight in how these students from the natural science faculty can apply their skills and also see the level of what they can create in only 3 months. So it's been very interesting for me to join these presentations.
I learned a lot more about how to present to people. We did a large amount of different forms of presentation throughout this, and especially coming from a different country such as the UK where we don't do quite as much presentation, I think it was very useful for me to learn more about it.